Your Android phone has hidden secret codes built into its dialer that most people will never discover. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 hidden codes that reveal critical information about your device's security, expose unauthorized access attempts, and give you control over hidden settings that keep you safe in 2026. Welcome back to Cybercrime Hub. If you're concerned about your phone's privacy, or want to detect if someone is secretly accessing your device, these codes are absolute game changers. By the end of this video, you'll have defensive tools that 99% of Android users don't even know exist. Let's dive into the dialer. Code 1, the IMEI tracker, *#06*#. Let's start with the most fundamental code for your physical security, *#06*#. Typing this instantly displays your IMEI number, your phone's unique global identifier. Why does this matter? If your phone is stolen, your IMEI is the only way law enforcement and your carrier can track it or blacklist it globally. But here's the cybersecurity angle most people miss. Scammers can actually clone your IMEI, making your phone invisible to tracking systems or framing your device for malicious activity. Write this number down right now and store it in a password manager. If your phone goes missing, providing this number to your carrier immediately could be the difference between recovering your device and losing your digital life forever. Code 2, the hidden testing menu, *#4636***. Next up is a massive one, *#4636***. This opens your Android's hidden testing menu, an absolute goldmine of information. You'll see your phone information, battery health, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi network details. But here's why security professionals love this. This menu shows you exactly which apps are consuming data and battery in the background. Malicious apps and spyware often run hidden processes that don't show up on your home screen. By checking this menu, you can spot suspicious activity before it drains your bank accounts or steals your data. If you notice an unfamiliar app consuming massive resources, that's your red flag to delete it immediately. Code 3, SAR Radiation Hardware Integrity, *#07. Code *#07# displays your phone's SAR, specific absorption rate. This measures the maximum RF radiation exposure from your device. While all phones meet government safety standards, knowing your SAR level is actually a clever security baseline. Why? If your SAR suddenly increases or displays an error, it could indicate a severe hardware malfunction or, more importantly, unauthorized hardware modifications to your device's antennas. Think of this code as a quick health check for your device's physical integrity. Code 4, call forwarding detection, *#67#. This next code could literally save you from identity theft. Type *#67# into your dialer. This reveals your call and SMS forwarding settings. Hackers use call forwarding to intercept your communications, especially two-factor authentication, 2FA codes sent via text message. By checking this code regularly, you verify that no one has secretly set up rules to forward your calls or texts to a burner number. If you see unexpected forwarding rules here, someone has already accessed your account. I highly recommend running this 5-second check at least once a month to prevent total account takeovers. Code 5, firmware verification, *#4986*2650468#*#*. For this one, note that compatibility varies by manufacturer, but it's incredibly powerful on Samsung devices. *#4986*2650468#*#. This code reveals your absolute core firmware version and build details. Security patches are released constantly by Google and phone manufacturers. By checking your exact build version, you can verify you aren't running outdated vulnerable firmware. Hackers rely on you ignoring system updates. Outdated firmware is a vulnerability goldmine for exploits like zero clicks. If your build date is months old, you need to force an update immediately. In cybersecurity, patching is non-negotiable. Code 6, sysdump mode, *#9900#. Another powerful one for Samsung users is *#9900#, which opens sysdump mode. This allows you to clear deep system logs and diagnostic data. Why do you want to do this? Your phone quietly logs everything: location history, app usage, network handshakes. While it's useful for developers, these logs can be extracted by advanced malware, or if someone gets physical access to your unlocked phone. Periodically clearing these logs removes a massive data trail. Just use this menu carefully and only select the Delete Dump State Logcat option. It's especially crucial to do this right before selling or trading in your old device. Code 7. Hardware Diagnostics. #0#. Finally, typing. #0# opens the ultimate hardware diagnostic menu on many Androids. You can test your display, sensors, camera, and microphone. Why does this matter for your security? Sophisticated spyware can hijack your camera or microphone without triggering the usual warning lights on your screen. By running these raw diagnostics, you can verify your hardware is functioning normally at the system level. If your camera or microphone fails to respond here or shows errors, you need to investigate your phone for spyware immediately. It's your early warning system. But here's something most people overlook. Attackers don't always leave obvious signs. Modern surveillance tools are designed to blend in, operate silently, and avoid detection by standard apps. That means your phone could appear completely normal on the surface, while hidden processes are actively collecting sensitive data in the background. Running diagnostics like this helps you step outside the normal user interface and check the device at a deeper level. If you notice delays, unusual behavior, or inconsistent test results, don't ignore it. These small signals can sometimes point to larger security issues. It's always better to verify early than to react after damage has already been done. A few seconds of checking could save you from a major privacy breach. These 7 codes transform you from a passive user into an active defender of your digital life. Bookmark this video so you don't forget them, and check these codes monthly. Make it a habit, just like updating your apps or charging your phone. Digital safety isn't something you do once, it's something you maintain consistently. The more aware you are, the harder it becomes for any attacker to take advantage of you. If you want to stay one step ahead of hackers in 2026, hit that subscribe button right now. Over 98% of you watching aren't subscribed yet, and joining the Cybercrime Hub community is the best way to lock down your digital safety. We break down real threats, real tactics, and real defenses in a way that actually helps you stay protected in today's digital world. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 7 codes surprised you the most, or if you know of any others I missed. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay smart. See you in the next video.